So you guys have been saying that I'm abusing my Polo because I've been delivering chicken with it, buying feed, doing all sorts of things with it. So today I went to We Buy Cars.
What are you looking for, Baba?
To look for a Bakkie for my business. So these are some of the Bakkies that we saw. But the prices, guys. This car's expensive. I've heard you saying that I must sell my Polo, get a Bakkie. Guys, Bakkies are expensive. But anyway, I was not there actually for the big Bakkies. No, I was looking for something small, man. Something that it's low on fuel consumption as well, and something that I can actually service myself. When it has a breakdown, I can fix it myself. So this is the car that we have been looking for, or the car that I've been looking for. If you see this car at a less price, please guys, come tell me. I will buy it, because it was hell expensive. But one thing that I really loved about this one is because the paint is still original. It's the 2008 model, so it's one of the last one to leave the factory. So it's the last edition of the Nissan 1400, and it never been on an accident. It still look fresh, it still sound good. Like guys, if I had money here, I was gonna swipe it.
Looking for this car, but I'm going for 61,000. Unfortunately, I don't know where I should take it or what.
Guys, this car was over my budget. Like it was twice my budget. But if you find one wherever you stay, and then looks fresh like this one, please give me a call, guys. Probably I'll buy it, but it must be at a reasonable price.
Guys, fit.
Guys, this looks good, man. This car, it's like 15 years old and still looking amazing. So the Nissan 1400, actually, the company started building these cars in 1971, if I recall correctly, and they stopped the production in 2008. And then that's when they started producing the MP 200. One thing that I don't love about the MP 200 is because it was built by Ronald, and I'm not really a fan of Ronald cars, guys. So that's why I'm not even considering getting myself an MP 200. If you see me driving MP 200, I don't know what will have happened. But anyway, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I'm now on a hunt for Nissan 1400. If there's one in your area at a reasonable price, please give me a call, guys. Dango.